if you want to maintain your privacy while shopping on AliExpress, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open the AliExpress app. Launch the AliExpress app on your mobile device or visit the website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings. On the app, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. On the website, click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. Look for the Privacy or Privacy Settings option within the Account Settings menu. This section allows you to manage your visibility and online status. Step 4. Adjust online status. In the Privacy settings, locate the option for Show Online Status or similar wording. Toggle this setting off to hide your online presence from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save any changes you made. Look for a Save or Apply button and click it to ensure your settings are updated. By following these steps, you can enjoy a more private shopping experience on AliExpress. Remember to check your settings periodically, as updates may change how these features work.